Rack Shop is proud to present this 2016 Volvo XC90 that comes equipped with the factory flush side rail. So we've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail based roof rack system. This is made up of the WingBar Evo load bar 53 inches in length. This one's in silver. Black is also an available finish. Below that you have the Evo flush rail foot pack, and then for this vehicle the specific fitting kit 186028. So all this has a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, crossbar spacing of 27.5 inches, and it's compatible with a wide range of different accessories, bike mounts, kayak mounts, a whole bunch. So this is just a quick look at this fit. For more details, pricing, and purchasing with just a couple clicks, click on the link in the description below. I'll take you back to our website. This is just a quick walk around so you can see what this looks like. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.